Hello everyone, welcome back to my coding place. Today we're going to create a game where our sprites greet each other. So let's get started. First, I want you to hover over the blue sprite and make sure you see the X symbol, and then I want you to go ahead and click that so we can get rid of him. Then I want you to choose a background, and it should be on the top of your screen in the middle. And then I want you to choose any backdrop. I'm going to choose the city. Once you've chosen your background, you can go ahead and click the check mark. Okay, so now on the left hand side, we're going to choose two sprites. So go ahead and click the plus symbol and choose your first sprite. I am choosing a dog. And then you want to move your dog all the way to the left. And then find another sprite by clicking the plus symbol. And we have a bunch of sprites that you can choose from on ScratchJr. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one of the teens. So once you have chosen your second sprite, you can go ahead and click the check mark on the right hand side. And this will show you your second sprite after that. And so I want you to move your second sprite all the way towards the right. And so the purpose of this game is we're going to have the dog walk over to the teen, and we're gonna have a conversation going on. So we're first going to start with the teen, and I want you to go to your yellow blocks, which I will do in a second. And we're going to have the teen, whenever the teen touches the other sprite, it's going to say a message, which is in the purple blocks, and we're going to say, "Oh, hi, dog." But keep in mind, you can say whichever you would like. This is your ScratchJr game, so you can have fun with it. So then we're going to go back to the yellow blocks, and we're going to find the envelope that is close. So whenever the teen receives this message, it's going to say, "Oh, hi, dog." And then we're going to end the code with a red block that has nothing on it. So then now when we're done with the teen code, we're going to go back to the dog and we're going to code something there. So whenever the green flag is pressed, we want the dog to go to the right 8 times. And then we can end the code by choosing the red block that has nothing on it. But we're going to code something else. So we're going to go back to the yellow block, and we're going to choose the envelope that is open. And we're going to go to the purple blocks and say something to our teen sprite. So we're going to say "woof woof." So this second code means that whenever the teen says something to the dog, it's going to say something back. And so the dog is saying "woof woof." And so then we're going to end our code there by using the red block that has nothing on it. So now we're done with our code, and we're going to go ahead and play it. So I want you to expand your screen, and I want you to go ahead and click the green flag. As you can see, nothing happens because the dog never touched the teen. So we're going to go back and fix that. So on our dog code, I want you to change the number, and I want you to change the number to maybe 10. So that way that the dog is able to reach the teen and actually program the code. So now we're going to click the green flag. And so now, as you can see, since the sprites touched each other, the code was able to perform. And so I hope you had a great time learning about how you can make your sprites talk to each other, have fun with this, and see what you can come up with. I'll see you next time.